Now I just need to seal you.
Obito.
To think, I'd come all this way just to switch paths. But I've switched paths now. I might as well figure out what I can do. And do it.
Obito, what are you doing?
A man who I once tried to use, Nagato, betrayed me with this. Gido Art of Rinne Rebirth.
If you use that, then you'll...
Why did Nagato betray me? I think I understand now. Human emotions stacked up and linked together can truly become a powerful thing.
Enough chatter. It's about time that our ambitions bore fruit.
Time to switch out.
Black Zetsu Ghetto Art of Rinne Rebirth.
Now I can fight for real. No other body will do. It is only a real battle when I can feel my blood boiling and my flesh dancing. Madara, you were waiting for this the whole... So this is Sage Jutsu Chakra. Seems easy enough to use. Madara, what are you after? Hashirama, do you remember when I spoke to you in front of the Uchiha monument? He'd said that true happiness can be found when two opposing forces are brought together. But I also told you that there was a different way to interpret that. Uchiha and Senju, only the one who acquires the power of both clans will achieve true happiness. Do you not think that would make sense too? This is bad. His next target will be... Now it is your turn. You wild beasts!
I knew he was going to go after the tailed beasts!
Hurry up and transform into your tailed beast state!
I can't right now! I don't have enough of Kurama's chakra! I'll just have to keep him busy in this form until my chakra fills up! Wait for an opening, and then attack him all at once!
You are all mine. I'll put a collar on each and every one of you.
I don't think so! Wait a minute. That isn't a reanimated body.
That's correct. I am not a corpse.
How did you come back to life?
I suppose I would have to thank Obito for this.
Don't tell me. You made him use Nagato's jutsu.
Oh, yes. It was all part of my plan. You're indecisive enough. I'm going to sleep. Along with the tailed beasts.
The tailed beasts finally got free! I'm never gonna let you touch that again!
You think these beasts are your friends? That's a new one. I see. Yes, you are definitely more than the average Jinchu. Well, like Hashirama says, those wounds are no problem at all.
Kurama, is the chakra ready yet?
I commend you for being able to fight with me this long.
Stop acting like such a badass! I'm gonna crush you! It doesn't matter if you come back to life. I'll send you back over to the other side in no time! We've got him cornered! Now let's crush him! Now!
Gather your tails!
Wow.
Yeah!
That should do it. Ah.
Sorry I'm late, Lord Madara.
Did you bring it?
Of course.
Now things will really get fun.
Summoning Jutsu!
Guts!
The corpse of the Ten Tails!
What about the left eye?
Looks like it'll still take them a while longer. Although, the same goes for this.
Do not compare me to some brat who took years to get his pet back. This will take seconds. Watch.
Limbo Bordertail! He might try something. Watch out! Come on!
What did he do?
Now then. Back into your cages, beasts.
What power! I can't go on!
Guys!
Now all the tailed beasts are together. Next comes...
Naruto! These pitter-patters.
He lost his tailed beast.
What?
Naruto's on the brink of death right now. We can still save him. Go to the fourth at once. Part of the Nine Tails is inside of him, too.
But what about you?
I'll keep him busy. Go! There's hardly any time left!
Please wait for me.
What do you intend to do with that child? Now that he has lost his tailed beast, he's done for.
But we still need to save him! Naruto is the hope of all shinobi. I feel the same way.
You've changed. You used to have a much harder heart.
It was all for the village. I simply hardened my heart to help the village.
Oh.
Receiving life was your downfall. You should have stayed reanimated. That's what you'll regret as you die!
You are one of the last remnants of the Uchiha. Why not team up?
Don't forget the
Fine. Either way, you have so little time. Unlike Naruto, you are good at using your head before you act. Whereas Uchiha should fight sophisticated people.
What did you want to come back to life for? Our time has has long passed.
I just want to finish but this world is a product of the last person. Hush now. And patience on the brink of death require drastic intervention.
Is that what you think the infinite Tsukuyomi?
That is the true world I have been dreaming of. A world without sacrifice.
I see. I won't say I don't understand the world you describe. That dream isn't something for you to interfere with.
We never really could see eye to eye, Tobio.
Leave it to me.
Inferno style! Sano flame control! Disappear, along with the old era. Burn out! What did I say? Relics from the past need to learn when to shut up. It's over.
Be careful! He's aiming for something!
What was that?
Hashirama filled this world with hypocrisies. In order to protect something, you must sacrifice something.
Damn it! What is this?
Even if that may be your friend, your brother, or your child. I have given you more than enough time. How unfortunate. So this is the power of the Sage of the Six Paths. Now I just need my left eye.
What's wrong?
Sasuke's chakra. You're strong. You can't lose. You... I said I'm going!
Hold on! Where are you going?
To Sasuke! We need to hurry or we won't make it! I won't let him die. No matter what! I'll never let him die here!
Naruto and Sasuke walk toward death. What do they see in the rift between the material world and the afterlife? And so, time takes a sudden turn. In the next chapter, the final showdown. Wrong. The will inside me doesn't belong to you. My will is the will of...
You're strong. You can't lose.
My dream is to surpass the Hokage!
Someone who doesn't care about their friends is even worse.
Naruto, I want to fight with you too.
Bring back Sasuke.
Just what are you?
If that's what it means to be smart, then I want to be an idiot for the rest of my life!
I'm glad I made you my student.
Why are you so obsessed with me?
Never forget your friends.
I love you.
So come. Stand tall with me, Naruto. Stay strong and don't break your word. I won't either. That's my ninja way.